for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to your feet. C is for cat with a purse so neat. D is for dog, wagging its seat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, jumping all day. G is for giraffe, tall and high. H is for hat on your head, oh my. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jam, a yummy bite. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with the roar so high. M is for monkey, swinging on tree. N is for nest where birds are free. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for queen with a crown so bright. R is for rainbow, a colorful light. S is for sun, shining so warm. T is for tiger with stripes and charm. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet strains. W is for whale swimming in sea. X is for xylophone, play with glee.